all. Welcome to Working Out While Working. I am Priyanka Shah. Today we are going to see breathing techniques or breathing exercises which can reduce your stress or anxiety. But before we actually begin, if you have not already subscribed to YouTube channel is Working Out While Working. If you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, please subscribe. And please follow the Facebook page as well. Facebook page is Workout While Working. Okay, and if you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and comment. Okay, so let's begin. Again, these are very simple exercises that can be done anywhere. You can do this on your desk, and then maybe while watching your television and all those things. You don't have to do it for a long time. Even 5 minutes will be more than sufficient. So let's just begin. We'll be beginning with simple deep breathing one. So what we will be doing, we will be inhaling and we will be exhaling for the same amount of time. Say for example, I am inhaling for 4 seconds. The same amount of time I'll be exhaling. Okay, so 4 seconds I'll be inhaling and 4 seconds I'll be exhaling. Okay, so let's just begin, and just sit comfortably. You can sit anywhere at your desk like I am doing that. Just don't slouch or maybe don't sit too upright. Just be in comfortable position. So inhale and then exhale. Okay, so what I am doing is I am inhaling for 4 seconds and then I am exhaling for 4 seconds. When actually I am doing, I am having a mobile app for this, so I don't have to worry about the exact timing. So it does has counter with it. I am not promoting it, so you can use maybe your fingers to count, or you can just look at the whatever the timer that you are having. Okay, so inhale and exhale. 5 seconds, 4 seconds, whatever you are comfortable with. So let's start with that. That was just a beginning. Second will be again deep breathing. It's 1 to 2. So basically what we are going to do is, it's a ratio. If we are inhaling for say 2 seconds, we have to exhale for double than that. So 1 to 2. So if I am inhaling for 2 seconds, I'll be exhaling for 4 seconds. I am inhaling for 3 seconds, I have to exhale for 6 seconds. Okay, so let's just do that. Okay, inhaling for 2 seconds, exhaling for 4 seconds. Inhaling for 3 seconds, exhaling for 6 seconds. You can increase the time as you become comfortable with. Okay, I'm just starting with the basics one and the simple ones. As you are comfortable, you can extend the time. Like say there are people who are doing it daily. They can inhale for 8 seconds and then be exhaling for 16 seconds. Okay. There are multiple variations of this. This 1:2. There is 4, 6, 7 as well. So where you are inhaling for 4 seconds, you are holding your breath for 6 seconds and then you are exhaling for 7 seconds. So we are not going into those much variations today. Again, as our last exercises, we are just doing the simple ones first. Okay, we will be doing advanced one later on. So that was one. So first we did like 4 seconds, 4 seconds. Second we did 1:2, and then third one what we are going to do is pursed lip technique. So in this technique what we have to do is we have to inhale through your nose, and then while exhaling we will be using our lips. Okay, so like this, I'll just show. So I am exhaling through my mouth with my pursed lip. Okay, so I am inhaling from my nose and then my exhaling from using my lips. Okay, pursed lips. Again, I'll show that. Actually, I am not very much used to do these exercises with my open eyes, because I do these with my closed eyes. Okay, so that is one thing. Then next is box breathing technique. This is also very simple. So as I mentioned, 4, 6, 7 technique. This is kind of that variation where what you are doing is you are inhaling for some seconds. Say for example 2 seconds. Okay, then you will be holding your breath again for 2 seconds. then you will be exhaling for 2 seconds, and then you will be holding your breath again for 2 seconds. So basically what you are doing is, say for example you do have any painting or maybe some cupboard or something. So you are making a box shape using your breathing technique. So basically I'll look at that, or maybe I'll use my fingers to draw a square. So what I am doing, I will be inhaling for 2 seconds, I will be holding my breath for 2 seconds, then again exhaling for 2 seconds, and then I am holding my breath for 2 seconds. Okay, as you go on, as you can practice this, you can increase the time. So 3 seconds, 3 seconds, 3 seconds, 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 5 seconds. Okay, and these are very doable, very easy. So let's just do that. While I am doing that, I cannot actually speak. That is the reason I am not doing it properly. Fine, let's start it. Okay, again as I mentioned, if you have timer or that app or anything, that will be very much useful in this case. Okay, so that was box breathing technique. And then before we end, we are going to have a very famous technique. It's alternate nostril breathing technique, or very famously known as Anulom Vilom. So as the name suggests, what you are doing here is you will be breathing using your nostrils alternatively. So I'll just show you the technique. So what is happening is you are actually going into this is Vishnu Mudra, as they call it. So in this Vishnu Mudra, what you do is you just press your one nostril using your thumb, and then you will be inhaling from your other nostril. So say for example I have pressed my right nostril, then I'll be inhaling using my left nostrils, and then I'll be pressing my left nostril using my ring finger, or some people use these two fingers. Okay, I will be using my ring finger only, and then you'll be exhaling through your right nostrils. So basically you'll be breathing alternatively using your nostrils. It is called as Anulom or Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Okay, as Baba Ramdev uses these terms. Okay, so we'll just quickly see how it is to be done. Okay, so I'm going into this Vishnu Mudra and I'm doing this. Okay, so that was it. It is said that using this Anulom Vilom Pranayam, you can actually get rid of 90% of the diseases. So I will just say that these basic, simple, pretty much. I mean, these are very basic one, and you can do it anywhere, anytime. You don't have to spend too much time on these, but the benefits are so great. Actually what happens, breathing is so natural, it comes by default. We just tend to forget that if we use right and proper techniques, we can get most of it. So we can get lots of benefits. I have personally seen it increases your focus, and it increases your energy levels. If you're having problem with sleeping, trouble sleeping, if you're maybe so cannot sleep, or maybe if you're waking up throughout the night, so if you are using these simple breathing techniques, they are definitely going to show you some good positive results. And if you are it also gives you relaxation in your muscle pain or any tension or so, that. And it is useful in blood pressures as well, I'll say. And yeah, the basic thing for which I actually made the video. Because of these simple exercises, breathing exercises, you can see that your stress and anxiety has it is reduced tremendously. So just use these techniques in your day-to-day life, anytime, anywhere, and feel the difference. Okay, so I think that's it for today, and let me know what all things you would like to see in the video. And if you like the video, please share it with your friends and family, and provide me your feedback in comment section, and subscribe to the channel if you have not done already, and follow the Facebook page as well. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay happy.